thinking about starting a YouTube channel? The platform is bigger and more competitive than ever, but the good news is it's never been easier to start. Today, I'm breaking down 7 clear steps to launch your channel with practical tips you can follow right after this video. If you've been waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials that help you grow faster without guesswork. All right, let's dive in. First things first, choose your niche. A niche is simply the topic or category your channel focuses on. Ask yourself 3 questions. What can I talk about for a long time? What do people actively search for? Where can I offer something unique? Current trending niches include AI tools, personal finance, quick recipe cooking, and evergreen education. But don't chase trends blindly. Pick a topic you care about, because passion shows up on camera and viewers can feel it. Next, define your target audience. Are they busy professionals, students, hobbyists? Knowing who you're talking to helps you shape everything, from video length to thumbnail style, and even your sense of humour. Remember, your niche isn't a cage. You can experiment later, but start with a clear focus, so YouTube knows exactly who to recommend your videos to. Now that you know your niche, it's time to plan your content and branding. Start with a simple content calendar. Brainstorm 10 to 15 video ideas you can film in the next few months. This eliminates the "what should I upload next?" Next, work on branding. Your channel name should be easy to spell, memorable, and hint at your topic. For visuals, create a clean profile picture and banner. Free tools like Canva make this quick. Think about your on-screen style too. Will you appear on camera, use slides, or go full animation stick figures like this channel? Consistency helps new viewers instantly recognize your work. Finally, decide on a posting rhythm. Maybe once a week to start. Reliability builds trust, and trust builds subscribers. Here's a secret. You don't need a Hollywood studio. A smartphone from the last 3 years can shoot crisp HD video. Pair it with a budget microphone, something like a USB or lapel mic for clear audio. And you're ahead of half the creators out there. Lighting matters more than an expensive camera. A window with natural daylight, or a few bucks ring light, works wonders. If you plan on faceless videos or animations, focus instead on screen recording software and a quiet space. Bottom line, start with what you have. Upgrade later as your channel grows. With gear ready, it's time to create. Write a loose script or bullet points. This keeps your video concise and easy to follow. Film in batches when possible. Recording multiple videos in one session saves time and keeps your energy consistent. For editing, beginner-friendly apps like CapCut, InShot, or mobile tools like VN are fantastic and free. Focus on pacing, trim dead space, add subtitles, and sprinkle in B-roll or simple graphics to keep viewers engaged. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's clarity and watchability. Uploading is where strategy kicks in. Create a click-worthy title with clear keywords, just like the one you're watching. How to start a successful YouTube channel, step by step. Write a strong description with key phrases and add timestamps if the video is long. Use relevant tags. While they're less important than before, they still help search discoverability. Design a thumbnail that pops, bright colors, large text, and a single focal point. Tools like Canva or Photoshop make it simple. Finally, add your video to a playlist and create an end screen encouraging viewers to watch more. YouTube rewards content that keeps people on the platform. After you hit publish, your work isn't over. Share the video on social media, your email list, or niche communities like Reddit and Discord. Don't spam. Join the conversation genuinely. Comment on related videos with thoughtful insights, not just "check out my channel." Collaborations also help. Find creators in a similar niche and propose a simple cross shout-out or joint video. Early traction tells YouTube your content is worth recommending. Growth is about consistency and feedback. Post regularly and check YouTube analytics to see which videos hold attention and drive subscribers. Double down on what works. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning ad revenue. But ads are just one stream. Creators thrive with sponsorships, affiliate links, digital products, or even channel memberships. Remember, treat your channel like a long-term project, not a lottery ticket. Starting a YouTube channel might feel overwhelming, but if you follow these steps and stay consistent, you'll be miles ahead of most beginners. If this guide helped you, tap the like button and subscribe. I'll keep sharing real lessons and practical tips so you can grow faster without the guesswork. This is How Sticks. Let's build your channel together.